Come on, baby. Take your time. There's my limit. Number 6. Finally found him. Took him a while, but that's 6. I didn't think I'd catch one over here. I was just paddling right by that driftwood, just letting it hit. Oh my goodness. Let's see. That's way too close. Look at that. That's 7. Come on. Let's see. Let's see. Hello, number 7. Exact same little spot, back to back. Just getting it right next to that wood and just letting it sit. Oh, the wood's moving out. No. Number 8.